Hi, myself Oswald from the MI Global community. At this point of pandemic, I hope all of you guys are safe and sound. So recently POCO launched a new device POCO X3 NFC. The main highlight of this device is the 120Hz display. Today, let's take a closer look at how it fares against the 60Hz display. Well, the major benefit of higher refresh rate display is gonna result into a smoother animation, transition and of course in gaming, as the display would refresh 2 times faster than the regular 60Hz panel, resulting into lower latency as the pixels gonna refresh more often. So let's take a deeper dive as how much of a difference does it creates into the day-to-day use. As we can see, on the left hand side we got the POCO X3 with its blazing fast 120Hz panel and Mi A3 on the right hand side with its regular 60Hz panel. As we can clearly see that the scrolling animation on the POCO X3 is a lot smoother than the Mi A3. Benefits of the high refresh rate in gaming, but often the processor pushes more than 60 FPS, but due to the slow refresh rate we can't take the advantage of it. But now we can get benefit from it as we are not being restricted by the slow refresh rate. Rather than gaming, higher refresh rate also puts a lot impact in the day-to-day tasks, such as the scrolling of the app drawer is a lot smooth on the POCO X3 on the left hand side as compared to the Mi A3 on the right hand side. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and also make sure to check out the other features of the POCO X3 NFC.